Beyonce's Summer Bob, like Drunk in Love, when she was drunk in love, we be all night long. Hello there, lovelies. Ashley Michelle here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And in this video, we are getting back to our wig reviews. Y'all, I'm just so excited to be back. So we're just gonna jump straight into it. Today, I'm gonna be reviewing a wig from Outre. Y'all already know I love me some Outre wigs. Sis, if you have not tried out anything from Outre, what are you doing? You're sleeping, okay? And definitely this is an oldie but goodie that I'm wearing. I believe this is Deidre on my head right now, so I definitely will link the video to this wig right here because this is definitely one of my faves. But we ain't talking about her today. We got a new boo that I'm going to introduce you guys to today, and this is from a different hair collection from them that I haven't tried out before. This is the Everywhere, so I'm guessing like you can wear it everywhere, pretty much, an everywhere wig from Outre collection. And I did pick up the style Every 25. So that is the style. She is a curly bob, and I am going to take the stock card out so you guys can get a little bit more of a close-up. Pretty much, you guys, I'm just trying to get like me a little summer wig collection going on. So these next couple of videos are going to be definitely some wigs you want to add to your collection for this summer 2023 season. So let's just go ahead and unbox Miss Every 25. Alright, y'all, so here is a close-up of the stock card of Miss Every 25. Like I said, she is a curly bob. I would say she's probably about 10 inches. She does come in a variety of different colors. You have chocolate swirl, DR copper orange, frosted honey brown, sandy blonde, golden amber, red velvet, and ginger brown. And I do actually have her in the shade golden amber for this summer 2023 season. So y'all, let's just go ahead and get into the construction of Miss Every 25. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the nuts. And y'all, I've just been wanting like a short curly bob, especially now that I am working in the hair salon. And y'all, I gotta talk to y'all about that too, but I just want something that can be off of my shoulders, hair out the way while I'm working. So again, this is a lace frontal unit, so we do have lace from ear to ear across the perimeter of the hairline. We also do have two combs right in the front by the temples. There is also a comb in the nape section as well. And this wig also does come with a adjustable strap, so you are able to adjust the wig to your head shape. It does have a little bit of stretch, so we are going to be able to see if this wig is big head friendly, because y'all girl, you already know your girl got a nice little 24 piece over here. And there is a lace part down the middle of this wig as well, so you don't really have like a 13 by 4, 13 by 6 with a lot of parting space down the middle, but you do have a part. So this is definitely something that you could probably throw on and go. And I do see that they already gave us some baby hairs across the hairline as well. So we do have some baby hairs already pre-made on this unit. And the lace does also look a little pre-plucked as well. So I'm gonna see if we can literally just throw this wig on and not have to do too much to it. I definitely love those. Those are my favorite type of units. So this is a close-up of what the lace is looking like. And y'all, look at this beautiful amber color. Like, she's definitely giving you a variety of highlights and lowlights with the dark root. So it's definitely giving sun-kissed vibes for the summertime. So y'all, let's go ahead and just get into the install of Miss Everywhere 25. So let's just go ahead and snatch this bad boy on off. Ooh. And get into Miss Every 25, honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps. I like to place my adjustable straps like right beside the comb in the nape section. I feel like that just gives me a little bit of extra security. So if I don't want to apply any glue or spray, I'm able to do that because I've adjusted the straps. And you guys already know, I really don't like to use the combs in the front. So that's another reason why I like to go ahead and adjust the straps. And you can also crisscross them over each other too, just so that way you get that nice tight pull. But of course, you know, you don't want to make it too tight. We ain't trying to lose brain cells or lose edges. So I don't want to make it too tight. So I got my adjustable straps crisscrossed over each other at the bottom. And I'm just gonna go ahead and slide this on so we can see what she is giving before we actually apply. I don't know, I might have made it real tight where I don't even need no spray. All right, I don't know, y'all. Like right now, I feel like I'm giving somebody auntie at the cookout right now. We're gonna have to spruce this up a little bit, so that way it can give Beyonce Summer Bob like Drunk in Love, when she was drunk in love, we be all night long. Yeah, like that's definitely what I pictured when I saw this. So we gotta get this right, okay? But it's definitely feeling nice and tight, nice and light. So I'm gonna go ahead, and this is with a better close-up of the lace without applying any product. So it's definitely very light and transparent, so we are going to need to apply some product up there. We don't want to be looking ashy. And this is what the sides of the wig is looking like, and of course the pre-made baby hairs, and then the part. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, apply my product so we can really make her do what she needs to do, because right now And before I actually spray her down, I am going to shift her just to see if she is able to be worn in a side part and not give like asymmetrical. So this is what she looks like in the middle. So I'm going to shift her to the left. So yeah, so this is what I mean. Like, so if you wanted to wear her in the side part, you would definitely have to go ahead and cut her on whatever side you want to wear it, because it's not going to be even at all. So that's one thing that I like to do whenever I get a bob. Just move it to side just to see if you are able to wear it in a side part. In this case, like I said, with this wig, the way the length is, you would just have to actually just cut it on whatever side you wanted to do it. So I think what I will do, I don't know, like maybe eventually, or you also could get some bobby pins if you didn't want to cut it, you could just kind of like finesse and pin the hair up some on this side so it doesn't look so uneven. But honestly, if you don't pull it so far over, you really could get away with a side part, but you might still have to snip a little bit on the ends just to make sure that it looks even. But I'm gonna go ahead and rock it as a middle part today.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.
Alright y'all, so here are the final results of Miss Everywhere 25 from Outre. And you guys, I just did a nice little flip over so that way we can get a side part vibe going on, and just did my baby hairs. And you do not have to do baby hairs if you don't want to, but I just wanted to show you guys this wig can be definitely versatile. So I would suggest, if you do want to wear this wig in a side part, to do the flip over method to whichever side. Ooh, and I think I like the left side better. Yeah, so I would just do a flip over so that way you can rock it in the side part, and then of course you can definitely rock this wig in the middle part as well. So you guys, my final results of this review of this wig, I definitely love it for the summertime. It's the perfect length and density. It doesn't feel like there's something heavy on my head. Like, I really love the curl pattern. You can really wear this wig as a nighttime wig for going out or daytime. So it literally is a everywhere type of vibe. I love the color. I love the cut. And the lace was super easy to blend into my hairline as well. So I definitely like that about this unit. And overall, I mean, I'm just in love with it. Like, I was looking for something short, quick and easy to put on for this summer season. So this is definitely going to be one of my go-to wigs for this 2023 summer this year. And yeah, like, I don't have any cons about the unit. I don't think that it's going to tangle pretty much, just because it is a short wig and it's not brushing up against my shoulders or anything like that. So I don't feel like this wig is going to tangle. I haven't really noticed that much shedding it either, so very minimal shedding, no tangling as well, and super duper easy to apply. So you guys, I would definitely give this wig So far it's giving a 10 out of 10 for me. Like, it's definitely giving a 10 out of 10 for me. Y'all let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought of Miss Everywhere 25 from the Outre collection. Y'all let me know how you guys are feeling this unit. Would you rock it yourself? Would you definitely try this color? Definitely let me know down below in the comments. And of course, you guys do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your beauty bestie so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you